Okay, we have 4 sets here. Using your hand pump. 1, 2, 3, 4, and I have unbox 1 set here. So what we have in the box. What consists up there? You see the model here. 25 TLS 2-piece, mean 2 heads. So we should have manual instruction here. You can read and you can get the soft copy when you inform me, and I send you by email. And you got the component, what consists of inside there, and parts, and also manual instruction for all of them. So you will get 4 this one, 4 like this. You get a soft copy from me. Okay. What is that? The front head like this. And second one. Wow. 2 heads. And you get 2 rescue gates. 1, this, and second one. Pump with hot. You have a safety block like this. This one for this one, and the rest one for this, and hose like this. So what we have here, right? Okay, if you would like to know how about pressure inside the hose and the head, you put into here. Normally, you no need to plug here, but if you want to measure the pressure, you put here. It's up to you, huh? Okay, if you want like this, like that, it's up to you, right? And the second one here, put to here for this hose with this one, liquid oil. You put to here. Normally you have tie very hard here. You lấy lên cái kìm mỏ quả. You see here? You tie very hard here. Yeah. You can use it this one. Okay, it's up to you. But this one exclude. Okay, Pump here you have two manual valve here. You can turn like this or like that. The main valve here. This one, okay? This one. This one's open, right? And open like this, and you seal it up. Okay. If you want the second one, you plug the same. Em cắn nó vô đi. Nè. Đó, cắn vô. Nhẹ thôi. Quay cái tay đó rồi, quay cái khuỷu tay đó rồi. Đó đi. Mua. Yeah.
Không có đồng hồ.
Huh?
Không có đồng hồ.
Okay. So, yeah. This cylinder have a spring return, and then you close here. Open like this and like this. Safety. Để cho nó song song rồi anh ấy. When you has blue loop here, equipment here, you can see vessel here. If you don't have here, no vessel here. Yeah, like this. Okay. You got 4 electric pump here, and I will show you another video how to connect the head cylinder head with electric pump.